Hello friends, अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड नमस्ते. आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग सुपर और आपकी दुआ से आई एम डूइंग सुपर 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 फैंटास्टिक. जो आज की जो रेसिपी है दैट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑन द चैनल, वो है फ्रॉम लेफ़्ट ओवर ब्रेड्स. यानी जो ब्रेड स्लाइसेस आप यूज़ नहीं करते हो, साइड में रख देते हो, आप उस ब्रेड से इतनी बेहतरीन डिज़र्ट बना सकते हो, यकीन मानो. तो लेफ़्ट ओवर ब्रेड स्लाइसेस अब से फेंकना नहीं. ऑन माई चैनल देर आर लॉट ऑफ लेफ़्ट ओवर मेक ओवर रेसिपीज़. ऑल द लिंक्स आई हैव गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. बी श्योर टू चेक इट आउट. अगर आपके घर में ब्रेड, चावल, कोई ऐसी चीज़ लेफ़्ट ओवर है, देन चेक माई प्ले लिस्ट. आई एम श्योर आपको कोई ना कोई अच्छी रेसिपी बनाने के लिए मिल जाएगी. तो आज चैनल पे बन रहा है बड़ा ही बेहतरीन, वेरी डिलीशियस, वेरी सिंपल, वेरी हम्बल द ब्रेड पुडिंग. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. 1/3 cup sugar. This is organic sugar. You can take any sugar. What we are doing here is we are caramelizing the sugar. I'm adding 1 tablespoon water. हमें शुगर को कैरमलाइज करना है. कोई भी ऐसे स्क्वायर बोल में, राउंड बोल में, कोई भी डिश में आप निकाल लें. Once this will get caramelized, I'll pour it in the glass jar, a glass bowl, and I will show it to you. Alright friends, the caramel is ready here. See how thick it is. Keep this aside to cool down. Meanwhile, so I've got my blender here. You can take any blender that you want. Okay. Now let's quickly see what we need. Now what is this recipe? This recipe is all about bread. So today on my channel I'm going to show you how to make use of leftover bread. Again, there are a couple of recipes. I will leave the link. Do check it out. So we are going to make very delicious bread pudding, and we are also going to add in that cream cheese, which is optional. If you add, it will enhance the flavor. This is no bake, it's only steam. So this is a recipe I always make if I've got leftover bread and I've got sudden guest coming in the house, then this is an excellent recipe. So we have put 4 slices of bread. Okay, to that I'm going to add eggs. I'm adding 2 eggs. Another 1/4 cup sugar. So I'm adding my organic sugar. Okay. You need some vanilla essence and you need 2 cups milk. Okay. Vanilla essence, 1/2 teaspoon. To be honest, I prefer using Milky Mist cream cheese. Had to use Britannia cream cheese. Go for this one. This is too good. I didn't get this, so I had to order the Britannia one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend this and I'll get back to you. Once this blends well, we need to see it. Don't pour it anytime directly. had to change the steamer because this was not fitting in that. So finally I took the kadai, the old basic style. So I'm going to steam this for 25 to 35 minutes. I'll see you then. I'm going to cover this with a lid now. Friends, you can see here it has steamed well. Okay. Now once it cools down a bit, then I'll place this in the fridge for 2 hours. Let's check this, friends. For 2 hours it has been sitting in the fridge. Let's loosen this up from the side. Well friends, the remaining caramel, I scraped it out from the bottom of the glass bowl and I've spread it on the pudding. But that's okay. It was absolutely delicious pudding. A must-try recipe, and for the coming Ramadan, people, you must make this recipe. I do hope, friends, you have enjoyed today's very humble recipe. Do try this in your house. And if you do, then don't forget to tag me on the Instagram. I would love to hear from you. And give your support to my channel. Don't forget to give your like and subscribe. Take very good care of yourself. Be safe. Be happy. Keep smiling. Good food, good mood. And until we meet next, don't forget to eat, love and pray. Bye.